starting a new series. It's going to be the Disney alphabet as a cake. I'm going to be decorating each alphabet to represent the character that the letter starts with. So the first one is going to be A for Ariel. We're going to decorate it like mermaid scales. This is similar to my mermaid tail cake that I've done before. As always, everything you're going to need, the recipes and everything will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this.
I'm going to start by dividing up my batter. I will leave my recipe in the description box down below. I'm going to be doing purple, blue, and green. I will leave the names of the colors in the description box down below. And then with a ice cream scoop, I'm going to pour this into my cake pan. I'm using the Wilton Celebration pan since that helps me get the letter I need. Mix the colors, give it a tap, and bake it at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. And then with the little tool, I'm going to cut off those edges to give it shape and also some of that caramelization. Once it's all trimmed, I'm going to get my buttercream, divide it equally in 4 different colors. I'm going to do red, green, blue, and purple. I'm using 3 circle tips for my green and blue and purple and a star tip for my red. So then pipe a dollop of this, and with a spoon or a spatula, you can just scrape it and give it that scaled look. I made this tail out of fondant and added that, added some of these pearls on here. And then I also have some of these candy melt seahorses and shells and starfish that I added on. And this is optional. You can also add some blue buttercream onto your cake board, spread it out, and add some brown sugar to make it look like the ocean and sand. And here's that Ariel A cake.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest something else, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see pictures of this cake and everything I make, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below. Until next time, stay sweet.